This is where John Joel Joseph and his family were captured by cops.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Accused assassination plotter John Joel Joseph and his family are believed to have surreptitiously moved into a house in Warminster, St. Elizabeth, less than 48 hours before their arrest last Friday. Joseph, his wife, and his 2 children were remanded on immigration charges when they appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday, January 20. Joseph and his family were apprehended on January 14. They too were remanded until February 15 after their lawyer Donahue Martin informed Senior Parish Judge Lorian Cole Montague that he needed more time to have further discussions. This, however, is just a dress rehearsal for more intense judicial proceedings surrounding his alleged role in the July 7 slaying of then Haitian President Jovenel Moise. Residents of the rural district in the parish's southeastern belt said that Joseph had recently moved to a section of the community called Brunswick after switching accommodations in another community because the owners of that hideaway had returned to occupy the premises. The house in which Joseph was held had been previously occupied by an elderly woman who died recently and who was buried 3 weeks ago, said a resident with knowledge of the situation. Another resident said that he first saw Joseph and his family at the Warminster house sometime last Friday, the day he was caught. Steep, rugged terrain leads to the houses where the Josephs were found, and the rooms appeared ransacked, with open suitcases filled with clothing, candles, water, condiments, and books. Among the books were Gandhi's The Awakening of the Humiliated, another book titled A Guide to Writing Skills, a Bible, and the Constitution of March 29, 1987, amended on May 9, 2011. A resident who requested anonymity because of the sensitivity of the investigations said that the Haitians were very kind in interactions with him, but that he had not been aware of their nationality before the arrest. Somebody said some guys live down there, sir, and them nice and them kind. But when this come out now, we hear say a Haitian. Cause everybody look alike, you know, the resident said. The near cooped up squalor in which the Josephs were holed up suggested desperation to lie low, but residents were stunned when the community was blanketed with police operatives last Friday evening. Householders of the rural district are concerned that the stigma of fugitive hideout might stain the community. Joseph's apprehension occurred almost 2 weeks after the deportation of former Colombian soldier Maria Antonia Palacios, another key suspect in Moise's assassination, who was arrested in central Jamaica last October. Meanwhile, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson on Sunday denied that Jamaica's porous borders, with more than 140 informal ports of entry, have created a safe haven for international criminals and suspects. The fact that our intelligence led us to apprehending them suggests that it is not really a safe place for our people to flee, because we will find them if they come here, Anderson said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!